Right now, we are still waiting for the jury to reach a verdict in the murder trial of Santa Cruz County rancher George Allen Kelly. Kelly charged with second-degree murder and aggravated assault after an undocumented immigrant was found dead on his property last year. Our chief investigative reporter, Coris Nylander, is live in Nogales right now, keeping a close eye on this verdict. So far, what do you have, Coris?
Yeah, well, Angelique, it's really been a day of patiently waiting, a lot of silence from this jury and the court throughout the day. We haven't seen really anything discussed in open court on a timeline or any of those jury questions that we saw last week being talked about in open court. So really a nail biter on this one. As we're getting closer and closer to the end of the day, the court closes at 5 o'clock here. I want to give you a live look of the courtroom right now. I understand there's been some activity going on in the last few minutes inside of the courtroom. The bailiff of the court brought some papers over to the defense team. They brought back in George Kelly into the courtroom. The court reporter starting to get set up. Unclear at this point exactly what may be going on there. We don't know if this is a verdict or if really time is up and the judge is going to want to call this jury back into the courtroom and officially declare a hung jury. This on Friday, we know that this jury had reached an impasse. It was made very clear that they were unable to come to an agreement, but Judge Thomas Fink felt, given that this was nearly a month-long trial of testimony and evidence admitted, that they were not working at this long enough to declare a hung jury at this point, called them to return for this fifth week of the trial. That was very anxious for the Kelly family as I spoke to them, but their spirits really seemed to be even more confident coming into court today after taking the weekend. Take a listen.
I sure do hope it gets over today and we get to go home for good. That'd be great.
Has this kind of been dragging on for you?
Oh yeah, 14 months, 15 months is a long time.
Yes, I did get to rest. I took a nap Sunday afternoon, and so I'm feeling a little better.
So right now the timeline's really on this jury right now. We're just going to have to wait and see what decisions actually reached or if no decision's able to be reached. I'm about to step back in the courtroom here right now. We'll provide you an update as we get some more information. We're live from Nogales, Coris Nylander, News 4 Tucson.
Appreciate the update.